Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get 4,000 hours to get monetized on your channel. Now, why there's a lot of people who are looking for 4,000 hours? That is because that is the requirement for YouTube's partner program. So if you want to run ads on your channel, if you want to get money from the ads that is running on your channel, then you need 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. Getting 4,000 hours is a huge task and there's a lot of things that you need to know. So I need to cover a lot of things in this video. So if you want to get monetized on YouTube and want to make money from your YouTube channel, then keep watching the video till the end and do not miss any part of this video. Now, if you're looking to make money from your YouTube channel, there are so many other ways than YouTube ads, and those other ways I have covered in detail in my other video. I highly recommend after you watch this video, you go watch that other video, and in that video I've covered how you can make more money without monetization. So you do not have to wait or depend on YouTube ads. But in this video, we are going to talk about how to organically get 4,000 hours and how to monetize your channel and get money from the ads that run on your channel. Number one thing is live streams. So if you're doing live streams, you can get a lot of hours of watch time in a very short amount of time. Let's say you have 100 people watching your live stream and your live stream goes for 2 hours. That 200 hours straight away in just the same day, which might take you many days. And if you do multiple live streams in like next few months, then you can actually get a lot of watch hours because of live streams. The only thing is you can't make it private after that. You have to keep it public within that 12 months time. Let's move on to the next point, which is making longer videos. If you make longer videos, so as you have seen, most of my videos are more than 10 minutes. So when you have more than 10 minutes, you can, in future, when you get monetized, you can actually show more ads and you can actually make more money as well. But even before you get monetized, it's really helping you because when you have longer videos, of course, the watch time will be much higher. Compare 5 minutes to 20 minutes video. So if user watch 20 minutes video, that gives you 4 times more watch time than a 5 minutes video. So make longer videos. Now, one of the most popular questions that I get in this topic is if you promote your video with YouTube ads, then is that time counted? Because I made a video on how to promote your videos or how to promote your channel with YouTube ads, with Google ads. And a lot of people ask me this question, is that time counted? And the answer is no. Your ads, your video, if you promote it on YouTube ads, that time is not counted. However, if somebody lands on that video ad and then they decide to watch other videos on your channel, that other videos time is counted. Another one is very important and I like to call it open loop technique. That means when you end your video, do not end by saying thanks for watching or that's all for this video and that's it from me. Don't use these words because the moment people hear these words, they close your video and start watching another video. So you end your video by saying, so next you should be watching this video, because so you give them the reason to watch the next video or your playlist. So make sure you do not end by saying that's all, that's it, thanks or whatever, because that means people know that's a hint that the video is ending now and that's it, they will just go to another video. So don't let them go to another video. That's what I do. You might have seen in my other videos, I try to create the curiosity for the other videos. You might have seen what I did in the beginning of this video. I told you if you want to make more money, not just from ads but many other ways, then you can go watch the other video. So I actually already informed you that I have another video and I also gave you a reason to go to another video. During the video, you should also create interest in your other videos. You might have seen in my other videos how I try to create interest of other videos, and the best way to do is not just by the cards, because cards have very less conversion rate. So what you need to do is show the thumbnail of your next video. So when you're talking about something in your video and that is related to another video on YouTube, on your channel, make sure you show a thumbnail of your other video, because that creates interest and people will definitely check out that other video because of that interest, and that increases your watch time. Now this whole thing creates a domino effect that I've mentioned in my other video, how domino effect works. So one video supports another, another supports the another. It creates a multiplying effect, and slowly when you have more quality videos build up on your channel, then you have a domino effect taking place where you suddenly get a boost in your watch time in YouTube itself, suggesting your videos to everyone, and that creates more views, subscribers, more watch time. So you need to see the holistic, the overall bigger picture, how you can actually improve the quality, how you can actually get more views, subscribers, not just watch time. Don't just get stuck on ads and making money. Just look into how you can actually help people, how you can make quality videos, and how you can actually connect those videos. So when somebody lands on your one video, then they can also watch, or you can say binge watch the other videos, because when they see other videos, then your watch hours actually goes a lot more. Imagine watching one video compares to 10 videos. That's 10 times number of hours. So if somebody watched 20 minutes compared to 10 times of 20, that's 200 minutes. So there is a huge difference per user. And if imagine 1,000 people watching 200 minutes, that's a lot of watch hours. So that is why I said in my other video, actually that was my recent video, maybe the previous video, where I mentioned the importance of having a niche or niche in your channel. If you have a niche, then most of your videos will be very similar to, when I say similar, on a similar topic. So that is what I have done. So I'm a digital marketer with over 10 years experience, but I decided to start this channel at least only with the YouTube tips, because YouTube is in the trend, and I wanted to start with a micro niche, which is only YouTube, and eventually I'll be going on other digital marketing tips as well. But for now, I have like almost 20 videos, and every single video has very unique value. All of them has offered a unique points. So imagine if somebody comes to my one video and they really like the content, and they really think that this is great value that they have received, and then I send them to second video, and from second to third, and imagine if they watch three videos and they know every single video has unique value and they're getting a lot of value, then they will also watch all those 20 videos. And that is how you can actually achieve a lot of watch time, by having a niche in your channel, which means a lot of videos are related to the same topic. So if one video, let's say, get viral or get boosted up, then people will land on that. But if that's not related to your other videos, then it will not help your channel overall, right? So if they come to one video, they will also watch other videos if you have a niche in your channel. But if your one video is, let's say, for example, about your morning routine, what you do in your morning routine, let's say somebody come on that video, but then your next video is about cooking. Okay, I'm not interested in cooking, then they will not watch your other videos, right? And then your next video is how to go to gym and how to do exercises in the gym, then the other person might not be interested in the gym. So there's a little bit of disconnect. Unless you become really popular, then people will be interested in you, and then whatever you do, you go to gym, you eat, you do your morning routine, you go out to travel, then people will be interested in you, then they will watch all those videos. But when you are new, then they are not interested in you, and that's the fact, and that's the same for all of us. So you need to create interest with all the factors that I'm mentioning in this video. My next point is evergreen videos. So if you are making videos, try to create evergreen content. That means that content is also valid for next 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. I have a couple of other channels, and I've seen some of the evergreen content that I have created in those channels. They are giving me views and subscribers even after 1 year or 2 years, because the content is still valid today. So can you create something like that? Can you create evergreen content? Because if you create something latest or something temporary or something news, then that's only valid for 1 week or 1 month. So that means after that you will not get the views on that. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you do not create any latest events. In fact, you should create something on latest events or news or something very recent going on, but mix it with the evergreen content as well. That's going to be valid for many, many months down the line. And one of the most important thing is make more videos. There's a huge discussion on YouTube about quantity versus quality. A lot of people ask me as well whether they should be focusing on making more videos, or they should be making only once in a while, but that's huge quality. So they should be focusing on quality, or quantity. Now, when you are new, you should be focusing on quantity. That means you should be making more videos. Why is that? Because you are new at this stage. You need to practice your videos. You need to work out different things. And I always say, get 1% better with each video. How are you going to get 1% better if you're only making, once in a while? So you need to focus on quantity and making more videos when you are new to YouTube, and you need maybe 40, 50, 60, or maybe up to 100 videos to actually get really good with the camera, or maybe get really good with the editing of the videos, or adding different kind of things that make your video better. So in the beginning, I always say be consistent, make a video or two videos every week, and be consistent, make more videos, and focus on quantity over quality. If you're too stressed about quality, then you will not consistently create videos. So that is the problem with quality in the beginning. So if you're going for perfection, you will never come out with a video, and that doesn't help you. So start creating and start improving while you're publishing the videos. Next most important thing is YouTube analytics. Not a lot of people make use of YouTube analytics. Every single time, every once or twice a week, or if you can do it every second or third day, that's really good. Go and check what's working and what's not working in analytics. Go to your video analytics and see which video has got you the most amount of watch hours, and see what has worked for you in that video. Did you create more images? Did you create more b-rolls? Did you create better editing? Did you add graphics? Did you say something in that video that really worked? So see and analyze what's working and try to replicate in your other videos as well. Another thing is make use of cards, make use of description, and make use of the comment section to get more watch time. How to do that? So in the cards, like I said before, try to create curiosity of your other videos, and then people will go watch your other videos. Like for example, I have a list of 20 videos on YouTube. Each of them offers a unique value. So you can go and watch that playlist. In the same way, you need to create curiosity in your video. Show the cards at the top. Do not miss out on that. There's a lot of cards you can add in your video. And in the description, link out to the related videos that you have mentioned in your video. Now, even I have made this mistake. I used to add all the videos that I've made in the past that I think is useful. But now what I'm doing is I'm only adding the related video to that video in the description. So if I'm talking about, let's say I've talked about 3 other videos in this video, I mentioned 3 other videos, then I will link to only those 3 videos in the description below. So you can go and check out that. And I also make sure that I make use of comment section. So in the comments, what I usually do is I leave a comment about something important about either about that video, or I ask you to follow me on Instagram or follow my Facebook group about YouTubers, where we share the tips and tools and strategies. About subscribing to this channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, because we share tools and tips to help you grow online. So all those things, if I have something important, I make use of the comment section. So if you want to send people to another video, you can also do that. So all these things, which is description and your comment section, so make use of, and your cards, make use of all those 3 to get more watch time. The best way to get 4,000 hours watch time to get monetized on YouTube is to not think about getting monetized. Because when you are thinking about making money, you are only thinking about yourself. But what really works on YouTube is when you think about other people, when you think about how to give value to other people. The value can be entertainment or education. So my channel is on education. I should be thinking about how to create value in my channel. So a lot of videos are actually premium content that I've shared on my channel, like YouTube ads full tutorial, YouTube SEO full tutorial. So that's premium content I've shared free on my channel. So how you can give value in your channel, that is the way you should be thinking, and that is the way you can actually be friend with YouTube algorithm, and then the YouTube algorithm will actually go out and do the job for you. So YouTube algorithm will go out and promote your video to others, and that is how you get a lot of watch time, 4,000 hours, not just in 1 year, but actually less than 6 months. you can actually achieve that huge milestone only if you follow all the tools and tips and tricks, which we share on our channels or what others share. So you need to follow the right things to do on your channel. You follow all the tips and tricks, see what kind of quality you can create, and that is where you need to see the playlist, YouTube playlist, which is a free content for you. It's like a YouTube course for you. So if you're a beginner, if you're still growing, so go watch my YouTube playlist, which has over 20 videos back to back. All of them are unique videos, and you're going to learn a lot. I have not just shared my own experience, but I've also shared my 10 years of digital marketing experience, plus the research that I've done over the time and the new things that I'm learning on YouTube. And I hope that you achieve this target very soon. Thanks guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.